Welcome back to Primetime News. Thanks for staying with us. To a story now on life inside the COVID-19 ward as recounted by a former patient. She describes the experience as horrifying and suggests it has impacted her psychologically. Shamela Pullen has her story.
Tamisha Griffiths is having sleepless nights. It's been 2 weeks since her release from the University Hospital of the West Indies UHWI COVID's ward. But the experience will forever be etched in her memory.
That's one word, hell. People are dying at UA. It's no joke. It's no joke. Like someone will come in today and 2 days later they're dead. People are dying and it's COVID. So it's real. It is real.
Ms. Griffith spent 8 days on the COVID ward, and while she was there, she said at least 8 people died.
I would wish this on my enemy. You don't want to fall asleep with a dead body beside you and know that that person died from the same virus that you have. It was so traumatizing. They came for the body and they just put it in that can and they just push it, and then you see them clean the bed off again and then bed ready again for our next patient.
Which one traumatized her the most?
The one that the doctor was trying to save the lady in front of me. And I was actually sitting up in the bed. Well, they did block the area off, but I can't really see because there's a space there and I could see him trying to resuscitate the patient, and he was there like for a good 45 minutes trying until both of them turned to each other and just shake their head, and I was like, oh my God, she gone.
She is now having nightmares.
Well, I couldn't turn the light off. I mean, like, I still hear them pulling the thing, talking my sleep. Even though sometimes I just find myself trembling. Sometimes I still have shortness of breath. Sometimes my heart still races, but I'm doing a little counseling now.
Ms. Griffiths appeals to people to take the virus seriously.
The party thing, at least try. Give it a break. Just take a break from the party, because trust me, it's better to have life right now than to keep going out to party and gallivant. It don't make no sense at all. And then you have persons outside with the virus and know that they have the virus and they're still going to party, and it's not fair. It is not fair. I don't know how I catch it, but I have it.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.
263 new cases of the coronavirus were recorded on Sunday from 971 tests. The number of confirmed cases now stands at 42,763. Meanwhile, 4 more Jamaicans have died from COVID-19. This brings the country's death toll to 676. 405 people have been hospitalized due to the respiratory illness. Of that, 49 are critically ill, while 30 are moderately ill. There are now 22,769 active cases.